Bala Sulam and Kabbalists in general describe reality in a very sharp way that is kind of very difficult for an average person to hear.
They're talking about a law.
Yeah.
This is why it's phrased this way. According to nature, it is forbidden to receive in order to receive. One who does it limits himself. What does it mean that he limits himself? He sees the reality that is called this world only. Only this. He doesn't see beyond that, more than that. Even with this world, he's in strife. He's bounded and limited by all kinds of forces. Call them people. It doesn't matter. But he's very confined. It's all in order to teach him that in this way he will not enjoy life. And he has no choice but to look for what kind of existence there can be besides what he has. There's a big contradiction between what he wants inside. I want to be free, burst out, feel that nothing confines me. Yet this world closes in on me. Even the world itself. I see no future. I don't know what happens after death. Why I am so small, despicable, limited. Everything. It's all in order for me to eventually ask, where is the exit? How do you come out of it? Because even death is no exit. This life is prison. So, why was it all done? It was done so we would ask and solve the problem. So just like we talked about the singularity before, now we're talking about the general egoism, which is intended only in order to bring us out of this narrow framework into the expansive world.